Hi, I'm Patrick King. I'm the head of percussion performance here at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. The ethos here is really one of team spirit. I think the whole thing that we really try and create is a sense of nurture and a sense of looking after one another and always striving for the best. We have a brilliant teaching staff here at RWCMD. How we work in the business, how we work in the profession is very much the same as how you're treated as a student. It's very much you are treated as a professional from day one. Some of the ways in which you will be able to immerse yourself in the professional culture of Cardiff and beyond, for example, are placements with the BBC National Orchestra of Wales and the Welsh National Opera, workshop opportunities with different workshop companies, for example, Children's Musical Adventures, working alongside teachers as part of your teaching skills module, which then can form part of your professional experience as well. Lots and lots of different ways for you as an individual to really start your journey from your first year as a student. Performing opportunities range from percussion ensemble to symphony orchestra to brass band, wind band. Not only are we a music college, but we are a school of drama as well. And students are very much encouraged to collaborate with other students throughout the college. We have our very own concert weeks, which the students curate. We put on lots and lots of different concerts with all the different facets here at RWCMD. We have some brilliant collaborations and professional partnerships. For example, with my orchestra, the Welsh National Opera, we have a wonderful side-by-side scheme where students audition for the chance to join this side-by-side programme. They rehearse with the orchestra. We do a big opera gala as well, where the opera school get to sing with our orchestra and with the students. And to the same extent, we have the side-by-side scheme with the BBC National Orchestra of Wales, once again, where the students are able to go and sit in on rehearsals and really learn firsthand from the professionals and in some cases their tutors as part of this brilliant orchestra as well. Lots of graduates from the RWCMD have gone on to have a really varied freelance career working with the local orchestras, Welsh National Opera and BBC National Orchestra of Wales, also Symphonia Cymru. Lots have gone on to do some brilliant teaching, outreach opportunities, recording. The possibilities of careers is really, really pleasing and really something great to see. Throughout Cardiff, we have some wonderful performing spaces. The Donald Gordon Theatre, Wales Millennium Centre, the Hodnott Hall, where the BBC National Orchestra of Wales play, and not least St David's Hall, Cardiff. But we also have a wonderful concert hall of our own, the Dora Stoutsky Hall, which has hosted very many of our own percussion ensemble concerts. The facilities we have as a percussion department are truly fantastic as well, something we're constantly striving to improve. I think being a percussionist, a timpanist, hitting things for a living is one of the best jobs, whether it be in an orchestra or in a school or doing workshops throughout the community. We're very, very lucky in what we do. And that's the sense of spirit and fun and all with a smile on our face that we really want to convey from what we do here at RWCMD.